Hey everyone, today at Celebrations, as you can see, in Braddon. So we've got a walk-in cooler right here, as you can see. So let's check it out. So we have a buffalo Trident evaporator, as you can see. This is buffalo Trident right there, as you can see. Right there. Then we have another set of two down there, two fans on it. And this one has three, so that makes about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, I guess. You've got the drainage pipe right there, as you can see. There's the coil right there, as you can see. And there's the pipe right there that injects the cold water into the coil. So yeah, this is pretty interesting. Also pretty old. So, as you can see, we are at Celebrations. There's the logo right there, Celebrations logo. And yeah, so very nice walk-in fridge. Really like it. So yeah, that's about it really. And I hope you enjoy it. See you guys next episode. Bye.